Well, hello there, skincare lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about skin, life, and everything in between. Okay, just like the thumbnail says, I have a skincare haul. I love everything that has to do with skincare. I'm intrigued by skincare, and I just love everything that has to do with skincare. Okay. So my eyes might be here sometimes, my eyes might be here sometimes. Please pardon me. I'm trying to get used to looking in front of the camera. Okay? Yes, I'm excited as you are to show you all the things I've spent money on buying. Who doesn't love that? If you'd like to see what I got, keep watching this video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so now and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. My videos are fun and interesting and you will laugh and still get to see me unbox things. Okay, so anyways, let's get right into this video. All right, so as always, I'll be listing where I got them from and the prices. If I remember, I will leave them. If I don't remember, I will list them or I will tell you as I go. Okay, so let's just get right into this video. But first, if you love my shirts, watch this try on haul. Okay, all right, sorry, let's get started. Okay, so I got a lot. I recently got some organic ingredients as well. Watch this video up here so you can see what ingredients I got and where I got them from. If you're someone who's interested in making your own skincare products and you don't know where to buy, watch that video and then you'll see where you can buy, and she can definitely deliver to you anywhere you are in Nigeria or probably neighboring countries, I'm guessing. First, I got a lot of things, guys, but I'm going to start from where I got the most things. Okay, so this is a store called the Tulip Store. They're based here in Abuja. Guys, this is one of the most affordable beauty stores I have ever seen, to be honest. Their customer service is excellent. Like, they love doing business. You can see it, like the way they talk to you, the way they converse with you, you know, and their prices are amazing. Guys, check out Tulip Store on Instagram. They also have a physical store where you can, you know, go and shop things if you want to stop by yourself to check for stuff. Okay, so yeah, they delivered to my doorstep. I stay along Airport Road, Lugbe, Abuja, and their store is located at Lokogoma, and this got to me in a couple of hours, just right at my doorstep. It was very nice of them. I really liked that. Of course, you pay for delivery, but I loved the service. It was amazing. So it came like this. Obviously, I've ripped this out. I couldn't wait to tear it out. So yeah, the first thing here is this vitamin C serum. I've been wanting to purchase vitamin C for my skin for quite a while now, but I wasn't sure what to get, and I was just going through their page and I saw something that I liked, and then I saw this as well, and I decided to get this from them. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using vitamin C on my skin. I've heard a lot of amazing things, but I haven't really tried it out yet because, to be honest, right now I'm working on my skin and I don't want to expose it more to the sun and get sunburnt, if that makes any sense. So this is still neatly packaged. I will get to it very soon. I got this for 5,000 naira. Yes, I got this for 5,000 naira. Let me open it so you guys can see what it's like. So this is the packaging, and I love products that come in droppers. I haven't opened, as you can see, so this is it. Yeah, so when I get into that, I will definitely, as always, update you guys on what that looks like. Okay, the next thing I got from Tulip Stores was the one and only Vits. Yes, we have to shave, you know, shave it, girl, shave it. I think I got this for 1,000 naira, 1,111. I can't remember. Did I just say 1,111? 1,100 naira, please. All right, the next thing I got from them was this Retin-A cream. You guys, I have been trying to get Retin-A for quite a while. There's a lot of talk about Retin-A. It's usually not sold over the counter. It's usually prescribed by a dermatologist, a doctor, and all of that. So you guys, this is Nigeria, of course, everything there. So I got this recently. This is 0.05%, so you guys can see. This is excellent for acne. Yes, this is excellent for acne. I'm not really breaking out as much as I used to, because I feel like I have gotten my acne under control. I'm going to be sharing a video very soon on how I got that under control as well, but I'm still struggling with some pigmentation, hence this. Okay, I will show you the next product and I'll explain why these two go hand in hand. All right, the next thing I got from them was, I already opened it, sorry guys, was this Hydroquinone Retin-A 4%. Now this has tretinoin and this also has tretinoin in it, but I haven't experienced any peeling yet. I don't know why, but I'm going to share how I've been using it, and I'll definitely make a separate video on this. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube on how these two work together to get rid of pigmentation. There are lots of videos out there and how this helps with pigmentation. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a 4%, not the regular 2%, 4%, which is on the high side. Okay, so definitely you want to be careful when using this. Don't use this and go out in the sun, or go out without using sunscreen. Your skin will burn, which will make it much more worse than what you already have. Okay, so these two together, you apply the hydroquinone and then you apply the Retin-A. There is supposed to be peeling, so it's going to take that first layer off. Depending on how intense your pigmentation is, it will take that first layer off, definitely lighten the scar, and then you'd definitely see, the scar is lightened. The scar is lightened, and then you can do it again, and then the scar lightens, and do it again, and the scar lightens. That way you're getting rid of the pigmentation. So if it's a scar you've had for quite a while, it won't just go off, but it will definitely lighten and lighten and lighten till it blends with your skin tone. Okay, disclaimer: buy at your own risk. This is not associated with Tulip brand in any way. This is just me doing my research and using it. Okay, and also when using this, you definitely want to moisturize a lot. So you can choose to moisturize before applying this, or you can moisturize after applying both products. I moisturize after applying both products because I feel like if I moisturize before, the hydroquinone will not penetrate as fast as I want it to. Okay, so yeah, that is that from Tulip Stores. So the next place I got these products from is Pandora Cosmetics. They're in Wuse to Abuja. You guys, this lockdown has made me have shopped and seen a lot of stores that I never knew existed. So Pandora stores, they're in Wuse to, just right after Banex, they're there. And from them I got this. I got this product, Francois Bedon carrots. If you haven't watched this video up here, watch it. It's one of the best lotions for beginners. Okay, it's the carrot one. And then I also got this serum. This is the Francois Bedon Puissance. This is not the carrot serum. I got this from them as well. Guys, I will be telling you my review on this product very, very soon. Watch out for it. Okay, so I got this Francois Bedon lotion. This one I got for 5,000 naira. I got this for 5,000 naira as well. They were both the same price. Yes, I got that 5,000 naira each. I also got this scrub, this face scrub, the Queen Helen face scrub, pomegranate and raspberry. Now guys, I always talk about exfoliating using chemical exfoliants. I'm not really physical exfoliant, but the ordinary AHA BHA, which I use in my nighttime routine up here, has finished, so I needed to get something else because I don't know when next I'll be able to order from ASOS and when they will deliver to me. And most of the brands are around here. The price they're selling for one is equivalent to the price I'm going to use to buy 3. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. But if I'm really desperate, I might just as well get one. But right now, this is what I'm using. I use this sparsely. Probably I'm not even exfoliating enough, but I use this sparsely. Okay, I don't use this too often, and when I use it, I wash it off immediately. Yeah. Next thing I got from, this is from Med Stores. So this is from Med Stores. They are in ShopRite, Lugbe Airport Road, but I'm sure they're in a lot of ShopRite stores or malls. To be honest, I wish I had gotten all my products from Tulip, because I feel like I'd just gotten everything once and probably might have been cheaper. But anyways, I'm sure you can already see I got this simple moisturizing facial wash. So because I'm using the Retin-A and the Hydroquinone, I need a very mild wash. I cannot use my regular black soap, which is still my favorite thing to use. I just made this recently, so I can't use African black soap right now on my face because it's very drying. So I needed a very simple wash, because if my skin was peeling, I didn't want to dry it out the more. That would be just too much for my skin to handle. So that's why I got the simple face wash. I really like this, and this might be long term for me because I really like this. It's very, you know how simple products are. It's very simple, very basic. It doesn't have any color or harsh chemicals, parabens, all of that. It also says it has provitamin B5, vitamin E, and bisabolol. I hope I spelled that right. So those ingredients kind of caught my eye, and yeah, I like that. And definitely this is going to be long term in me. It's just very nice and mild on the skin, to be honest, and yeah, I really do like it. So yes, I got this for, I think, 3,000 naira. Yes, 3,000 naira. And I would check, and I'll put the price list for some of the other products if I didn't list them already. Oh yes, one more thing. I got this from the same Med Plus. I got this St. Ives Fresh Skin Body Scrub. Guys, don't use this on your face. This thing, hi, don't use it on your face, okay? I use this for my body. Yes, you can use physical exfoliants for your body. I use this for my body, so yes, I got this from them as well. I use it to scrub my skin, exfoliate, so that my cream or lotions can work much more better. Okay, I'm sure this video is going to be pretty long, but this was fun to make. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to see more hauls, more skincare videos, you know I'm your girl. Just let me know and I'll try it out, and then I'll let you know what I think. Okay, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you love to see my videos, I upload videos almost every day right now. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can, so just watch out for my videos, search for me. But if you have the notification bell turned on, you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. There are no bloopers in this video. This video actually turned out much more better than I expected, so there are no bloopers. Sorry, because some people enjoyed my bloopers. Actually, they find the bloopers much more fun, and so yeah, no bloopers for this video. This video was great. Your girl is getting better at it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.